Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make Cajun chicken. So easy to make, yet so delicious. You can make this in under 15 to 20 minutes. And also I'm going to make Cajun seasoning and a dip for it. And I hope you'll find this recipe useful. Now let's get started. Ingredients to make Cajun seasoning. Mix all the ingredients together and store it in an airtight container. This will stay good for about 5 to 6 months. Ingredients for Cajun chicken. For this recipe I am using chicken breast. You could use thighs or whole chicken also. I have washed and pat dried with a tissue. For the salt and spice to get into this chicken, I am making few gashes. Season it with some salt and lemon juice and slightly massage it. Flip the chicken, add some salt and lemon juice. Now I am adding Cajun seasoning about 2 tablespoons. Rub all over the chicken nicely inside the cavity. Every recipe and every household there are tons of variations. So you can always adjust the spice according to your taste. This chicken has lot of flavor. It can be baked, pan fried or grilled. It's your preference. Once you are done, just cover and leave it aside. Let it rest for 8 to 10 minutes. Time to fry our chicken. In a pan, add some butter and oil. Once the butter gets melted, I'm going to add my chicken. Cook the chicken on a low medium heat so that it will get cooked evenly. Add the chicken and cook for 7 to 8 minutes on both sides. It's almost 3 minutes. Once one side is nice and golden brown, just flip it to the other side and cook for 3 to 4 minutes or until it's done. This is done. Now let's take it out from the pan and put it on a tissue. Let's make a quick dip for the chicken. I've got quarter cup of mayonnaise. To this I'm adding 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, quarter teaspoon of oregano and 1 tablespoon of freshly chopped coriander leaves. Give all this a nice mix. Our dip is ready. There you have it, quick and simple Cajun chicken. It can be served with rice, cauliflower rice, mashed potatoes and salad. I hope you like this recipe. If you do, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. For more such videos, click on the left to check out my previous video and on the right my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy Happy cooking!